So here's my quick tip. If you ever use silicone and you know that the tips, once you used it and put away the silicone, the tip will clog up with silicone, dry silicone, and then you have to keep on cutting and cutting, and then the tip goes lower and lower and lower, lower, and then you basically have no tip anymore, or you just have to dig out the old silicone that was there just to get to use it again the second time. Well, what you can do is the first time you use the silicone, stick in a screw, just like that. Stick it in there, and you'll find that it is so easy the next time you use the silicone. Just look at this. I don't know how long I used this, maybe a few months ago, but look, the silicone comes out nice and fresh. And basically you use it like that. You don't have to recut the tip, you don't have to dig it out. And then when you're done using it, stick that in there. You'll keep a nice space there. You can make it longer if you have a longer and thicker. I would usually get a flatter head screw so it won't mess around with any of the lids. This lid is good. You can just screw it on. But if you have a lid that may be a little bigger and thicker and it has that little red orange cap, you can use maybe a screw that will fit underneath that little orange cap that goes usually on the top. And yeah, next time give it a try. I think it's an awesome tip.